If you're trying to install the Rapido Captain app on your iPhone, the process is simple, but you need to make sure you're downloading the correct version. Start by unlocking your iPhone and opening the App Store. Once the App Store is open, tap the search icon at the bottom of the screen. In the search bar, type Rapido Captain. Make sure it says Captain because the regular Rapido app is for passengers, not drivers. When you find the correct app, tap the Get button to begin downloading. Depending on how your device is set up, you might be asked to confirm the download using your Apple ID password, Face ID, or Touch ID. After the confirmation, the app will automatically start installing. Just wait a moment while it finishes. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. If you're new to Rapido Captain, you'll be able to create a driver account by entering your details and following the setup steps inside the app. If you already have an account, simply log in with your existing number or credentials. Inside the app, you'll go through the usual onboarding steps, verifying your phone number, uploading your documents, and completing the required driver details. Make sure everything you submit is clear and accurate to avoid delays. After your profile is ready, you can start receiving ride requests as soon as Rapido approves your account. If the app doesn't show up in your App Store search, it usually means the Rapido Captain app isn't officially supported in your region's App Store yet. In that case, double check that your Apple ID region matches a location where Rapido operates. Otherwise, you may need to switch your App Store region or wait until support becomes available.